Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Doreen. I love sharing little glimpses of life in the province and showing you the amazing tourist spots we have around here. But today I'm super excited because we're going to tour Davao City. Let's head out and have some fun adventures together. So stick around because I'm going to take you to the best budget-friendly restaurants you can only find here in Davao. And that's not all. We'll also do some window shopping at some great spots. You don't want to miss this, right?
Hello guys! We are here at Abrisa in Davao. Hello Davao! Welcome back Davao!
Story time guys, sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, I studied po in Davao at matagal din akong nanirahan dito after I graduated college. Last na punta ko dito ay last year where I celebrated my birthday. Medyo kabisado ko pa po ang Davao. So, kung gusto nyo i-tour ko kayo sa Davao, just contact me guys. Just kidding. Bili muna ako ng solution guys para sa contact lens ko.
Solution, yung maliit lang.
Solution?
Oo.
Ito ma'am.
Walang all na maliit.
Wala po mga comfort.
Magkano ito?
89.
Ito, magkano?
90.
Kuya,
Nakakamiss din gumala sa mall guys kasi wala pong mall sa aming province. Tara at libutin natin ang mall.
At dahil gutom na kami guys, we are on our way to the restaurant. At hindi pa namin alam kung anong restaurant pupuntahan namin. We're just gonna search and find out.
Ito pala yung mga restaurants sa mall guys. Nasa second floor pala to ng mall at meron din sila sa third floor. Whenever we came here sa Abrisa, ang first choice namin talaga na restaurants is either Jerry's Grill or Penong's. We decided na sa Jerry's Grill na lang. Pang ilang beses na namin kumain dito guys nung nasa Davao pa ako. They offer Filipino food at medyo affordable naman ang mga prices nila na good for 2 to 3 persons. If you happen to visit Abrisa Mall in Davao, try nyo ang Jerry's Grill guys. We usually ordered sinigang na hipon guys and chicken. Pero skip muna ngayon ang chicken. Yung sinigang na hipon nila ay masarap at medyo malaki yung hipon guys in fairness. At yung sabaw nila hindi masyado maasim. Sakto lang. At yung chop suey naman nila is masarap. Lasang gulay. Malamang chop suey. At ang pinakamasarap na kinain namin ay yung calamares. Yung squid ay soft at hindi masyadong chewy. For the breeding, ito ay soft din at perfect ang combination ng dipping sauce nila. As for the sisig, hindi na po ako kumakain ng pork. May story po behind kung bakit hindi ako kumakain ng pork, and that was way back nung nasa Manila pa ako. Siguro next time ko na ikukwento guys.
Yes. Para dagay mag-views. Ito po kami ngayon sa Abrisa. At kami po ay kumain dito ng lunch.
So, sobrang gutom namin guys. Naubos po namin ang 3 putahe kasi hindi po kami nag-breakfast before going to the mall para tipid din. So yung bill namin ay almost 2,000 pesos kasi may in-order po kaming drinks na per glass kaya medyo napamahal. Pero kung hindi kami umorder ng drinks, siguro yung mga bill namin ay nasa 1,500 pesos. Oh, by the way, Jerry's Grill has branches all over the Philippines. You can check their website to see if there's a store near you. See, I did my research and just wanted to make that clear.
Lagat.
After namin kumain guys, ay naglibot-libot muna kami sa mall. Isa sa mga pinuntahan namin ay ang isang brand ng clothing. For sure, alam nyo na kung anong brand ng clothing na to. Naghahanap pala ako dito ng short at t-shirt. Maganda kasi ang quality ng mga damit dito guys. May mga mura naman sila dito guys na shirt na under 500 pesos.
Siksihin na sabi niya.
At dahil wala akong nakita na magandang shirt at shorts, ay umuwi na lang kami guys. So this was our second day in Davao and we ate lunch at Penong's. The food is delicious here. If you were on a budget like us, this place is perfect. And you will definitely feel full. Why? Because they offered single meals and meals for families or groups at the very affordable prices. Also, the rice and soup were unlimited. I remember the first time I ate there was when I was still working in Davao. We always ordered the chicken barbecue with unlimited rice and soup. Also, don't forget to order halo-halo as it is the perfect dessert for this sunny season. Penong's restaurant is available only in certain locations in the country. You can find it in the Visayas, specifically in Cebu and in the Mindanao area. For more information, you can visit their website. So, andito ulit tayo sa mall guys kasi wala akong nabili nung pumunta kami ng Abriza Mall. At dahil gusto ko talaga bumili ng t-shirt guys, kahit isa lang, para may souvenir ako na pumunta ako ng Davao. At finally, nakabila rin ako guys ng 2 t-shirt pero hindi ko na na-videohan sa sobrang excited.
Hani mo po at i-open mo. Cheers! Masarap na pero masarap. Natural. Lasang kalamansi. Natural. Kalamansi juice. Lamig. As lumikuan din siya pure as. Let's eat bread talk. Cheese with I don't know. Spanish bread. I would love to
pinuntahan namin guys yung pinakasikat na water fountain dito sa mall na to. Kaso lang, under maintenance pa siya. But that's okay dahil may pa chairs and tables naman sila dito guys na pwedeng tambayan.
We are on our way to the Rojas City, Rojas Night Market for night market. So we are heading to Rojas Night Market in the